Welcome to the latest edition of Career Videos by the Knowledge Academy. Today's video is about a hot trending topic, which is about the certification renewals of both ITIL and PRINCE2 certificates. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and enabling that bell icon next to it so that you would never miss out on any of the informative content that we put out. So without any more further wait, let's get on to the agenda of this video. Initially, we will be going through what is ITIL, and then what is PRINCE2, after which we will see the ITIL Renewal and the PRINCE2 Renewal processes. So let's get on to the first topic. What is ITIL? Information Technology Infrastructure Library, or ITIL, helps to adopt digital technologies and manage IT services by making the best use of technology to drive business strategy and create values with the consumers. Excelo's latest ITIL certification is the ITIL version 4 or the ITIL V4, the updated version of ITIL 3. The ITIL 4 is an adaptable framework for managing services within the digital era. It builds on the core guidance of previous versions to provide comprehensive, practical, and proven guidances. It supports traditional service management activities, for example, incident management and continual improvement. It can also be aligned with the transformative technologies like cloud, automation, and even AI. It also works seamlessly with DevOps, Lean, Agile, and Accredited products such as PRINCE2 and Agile Shift. It is the basis for the international standard for ISO 20000 and the workflows in many service management software platforms. And each ITIL 4 module is accompanied by a comprehensive core guidance publication and a globally recognized professional certification from which millions of professionals worldwide have benefited. Many innovative organizations, including Spotify and Vodafone, have already increased their efficiency and customer satisfaction by employing ITIL 4 professionals. Now let us look at our next topic. What is PRINCE2? PRINCE2 stands for Projects in Controlled Environments. PRINCE2 is a rigorous, structured approach to project management that provides consistent results, repeatability, and predictability. It helps you to plan, manage, and control your project more effectively. The PRINCE2 certification is an international qualification that shows you have the knowledge, skills, and the experience to apply PRINCE2 to real-life situations. It provides a benchmark by which your organization can assess your competence against other organizations that uses the PRINCE2 as their standard project management methodology. The qualification has been designed to help you gain professional recognition from employers, which may result in increased pay and promotion opportunities as well. Now let us look at the hot topics, the ITIL renewals. As of 1st of January 2023, all the ITIL certificate holders are supposed to renew their certifications every 3 years mandatorily. This news might shock many ITIL certificate holders and aspirants, as ITIL was earlier to be a lifetime certificate. But the decision to renew the ITIL certification every 3 years was recently made public in the PeopleCert's new continuing professional development program. The recertification decision was made to keep the certificate holders upgraded with the latest technological updates and developments. So let us look at some of the parameters set on. If you are certified before the 30 June 2020, then you must renew your certificate before 1st of July 2023, regardless of when you have first obtained the certificate. Now, if you are certified after June 2020, then you have to renew your certificate within 3 years of when you were awarded the certificate. Now, for ITIL renewal, you must complete any of the qualifications mentioned below. This will include all modules, including the ITIL Foundation Certification Renewal. So, A. You can retake the ITIL exam before the expiration date. Or B. You can take further courses on ITIL and certification within the same product suite before the expiration date. And lastly, this option will be available only after March of 2023. This option will allow the certificate renewal by collecting and logging CPD points. Now, even if you can complete the ITIL renewal process before the expiration, you will be included on the Successful Candidates Register or the SCR and the Candidate Verification Service. But you must remember that a note will be added to your records that show that your certification requires renewal. Now let us get on to the next hot topic, which is PRINCE2 Renewal. All candidates with PRINCE2 certifications will need PRINCE2 Renewal within 3 years of their original certification date. And for candidates, this will mean that if certified before 30th of June 2020, then the candidates will have to wait until the 1st of July 2023 to renew their certification regardless of their original award date. Now, if certified after the June of 2020, then the candidates will require PRINCE2 renewal within 3 years of the original awarded date. Now, from January of 2023, there will be 2 PRINCE2 renewal paths available to the candidates. First one will be to retake the same exam for PRINCE2 renewal. Now that means the candidate can do their PRINCE2 recertification by retaking their original exam before the renewal date. Second would be to take further courses and certifications. That would mean that the candidates can do their PRINCE2 recertification by attending another course and by taking an exam within the same product suite before the renewal date. Now, for March 2023, a third renewal path will be available to the candidates, which would be A. Collect and log CPD points. This means that the candidates can renew their certification by collecting and logging CPD points. More details on this path will follow in the January. The second option would be to candidates who do not renew will still be included on the Successful Candidates Register or the SCR and the Candidate Verification Service as we discussed earlier. And again, a note will be added to their record to indicate that their certification needs to be renewed to align with the current certification requirements. Thank you for watching the video. Did this video inspire you to advance your career in project management? Then let our industry mentors guide you on your journey on becoming a project management professional. The Knowledge Academy is the world's largest training provider for the courses such as PRINCE2 Foundation, PRINCE2 Practitioner, PRINCE2 Agile Foundation and Practitioner, and many more. Visit our website to get details about our courses. Get in touch with our consultants. Inquire now